Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together and we clove them asunder? This, what you came to know 50 years back, is mentioned in the Quran 14 years ago. Who could have mentioned that?
Well, in various civilizations in like 2000 or 5000 BC, before Islam came, or Christianity itself, there was various civilizations that are good in astronomy, and they know more about our solar system than we do now, sadly.
Brother, your knowledge of science is little, not in-depth. I do agree. There are certain things which were known as hypotheses. For example, we came to know, we were proved that the earth was spherical in 1577. I know that in 6th century BC, there were Pythagoras who believed that the earth was spherical. But the same Pythagoras who believed the earth was spherical also believed that the earth was the center of the universe, which is wrong. You show me one civilization which believes 100% what the Quran has mentioned. I challenge you. What you say, so do you mean to say there was a person who said, okay, this civilization, out of 100 things, these 2 things are right. Out of 100 things, these 5 things are right. Out of this 100, and picked and chose. Who can do that? No one besides the Creator. Even if you know that there were 10 different civilizations, hundreds of civilizations, there is not a single civilization that you know in the past which knew 100% of science what we know today. So where is your logic? Where is your theory? I do know that certain things were hypotheses, which were proved later on. But there is not a single civilization which knows everything what is mentioned in the Quran. So the answer goes back to the original question, who could have collected this in the Quran? Someone 1400 years back, could he do and say, okay, out of these 100 things, these 3 are right. Out of these 100 things, these 2 are right. Out of this, it's not possible. Mathematically, it's not possible.
Well, you never gave the idea of extraterrestrials or so. I mean, knowledge is power. And
brother, I'm asking a simple question. We are not come here to have a debate.
Yeah.
I'm asking you a question. Point out a single civilization. You're asking something else.
Yeah.
We are not here to discuss. You can come in the room and discuss. You ask a question, I'm giving you the answer. You gave about old civilization. I told you you're right. But out of 100 things, 98 they were wrong. So I'm asking you, who could have mentioned this in the Quran? You're talking something else now.
Yeah, well,
I'm asking a simple question, 2 plus 2 equals how much? You are saying, I'm telling you 3 multiplied by 3 is how much? I'm asking a name, you're telling that where do you live? I'm asking a simple question, name me a single civilization which has everything what was mentioned in the Quran. Do you know of any or not? Yes or no?
Well, not everything, of course.
Even not 10%?
Why? Babylon knows of most of the planets and such.
Planet is not the only thing mentioned in the Quran. There are 1,000 things mentioned in the Quran. To say what 1,000 things are mentioned in the Quran, 10% would be equal to 100 things. Did Babylonian civilization knew about 100 things mentioned in the Quran?
No, because they
don't
have the IQ.
They knew 5 or 6 things. In percentage-wise, very small. So,
of course.
Who can be the author of the Quran besides the Creator to know what is right, what is wrong? Today, science has established the hypothesis mentioned by Babylonian so many centuries back is today proven. So these were hypotheses in the past, which out of them, many have been rejected, some have been accepted. So to collect all, which is 100% correct, has to be from the Creator and no one else. Hope that answers the question.